An attitude. If you move back upstream just a ways.
Yeah. He'll be coming towards the shore. Oh, we'll find it. Oh, that's a 35-inch fish. 30 inches. This is a trip of a lifetime right here. I'm gonna let him just wear out, you know. Oh, we're gonna need it. It's big. 40 inches. He's just sitting like a rock. Oh, he wants to go. Dude, yeah, this is a trip of a lifetime, man. This fish is not budging. It's sitting like a freaking rock. I mean, he's just sitting like a rock. He's not like fighting or anything, you know? Oh yeah, he popped out of the rocks. And like he wanted to play with it for a little bit. And then he just barely touched it and I set the hook on him. That was skill right there, Danny. I don't know, you can't do much about that. It's about as big as the one I caught last night. I mean, it's a solid 35, 30, 33. He's bringing the net down. That's a big fish, dude. This is a trip of a lifetime. You haven't seen him yet? I mean, it's a big steelhead, Danny. I mean, it's long. I don't think it's as fat as last night. See that fish? It's wild too, man. Yeah, we thought it was, yeah, because his tail fin is really light. He's going with the net. He's just sitting like a rock, Mick. He's just hunkering down. He's just hunkering down. And he's not even moving. I mean, he's right here. I mean, he'll move around when he wants to, but yeah. I mean, you had time to go get the net and everything. He's right here. I mean, that was skill. He went up and looked at it and barely just nipped at it, and when he nipped at it, I set that hook. He does not want to budge. Yeah. Oh, he doesn't want to go over there. He knows what's over there. I mean, this is a shark, man. This is like a shark. Oh, he wants to run some more. Okay. He's coming towards me. So close. Yeah! Yes! Woo! Yeah! Ah! Yeah! That's bigger than last night, Daddy!
Oh, Jesus, is he ever?
That's a big fish.
Big old nail. Big old hook jaw.
Big old hook jaw.
Where's your camera?
Oh, I got it on the air. We're good. We got this on video. He's got the big old hook jaw. He is massive, Danny. Fish! Holy crap. Yeah! Yeah! Oh shit! Let's just get up higher up on the ground. It's about time, Danny. Heck yeah. There's not a feeling like that. Huh? I just have one on down there. Yeah. It's a wild fish. Yep. You can tell. Look at him fight. Just with the fight. It's not as big as yesterday, I don't think. Sure in the heck isn't fighting like yesterday. I hope it's not freaking wild. It's a big fish. It's so big.
You see it?
Yeah. It's gorgeous.
It's not as big as the other.
No, it's not. He sure isn't fighting like the other one. I think this is a hatchery fish. It's wild. It's a wild fish. You can't get him yet. Oh shit. Get him. Get him, bring him up. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a big fish. You see that? Let me see. That's a number 4 cutthroat? You gotta throw him back, right?